Saskatchewan. So today I got a J7 Prime, so I have to replace USB charging port. This is a Samsung, and this phone have a different kind of charging port, not like as iPhones. So I need to use my soldering gun to replace the charging port. So let's see my video how I'm gonna change charging port with the soldering gun. So did you see my videos or how I changed my charging port? So phone is working now, it's charged now, you can see. Yeah, it's charged now, it's working. You can see, you can hear the sound of charging. Yeah, so its phone is charging now, so USB working now. So thanks for watching my video. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel, and I will bring some more videos with this different kind of phones. So thanks, see you in next video. Bye.